Today, a Chesapeake City councilwoman stands on trial for alleged elder abuse of her own family. Amanda Newins, who won a city council seat in Chesapeake last November, is accused of financially taking advantage of her great aunt and uncle. Alex Littlehales is outside the courtroom this afternoon with how day one is shaping up. Alex.
Good afternoon, Ashley. Yeah, a jury is picked, and we just heard the opening statements from both sides in this case. Now, the looming question, as prosecutors say, will be the idea of intent moving forward. Now, at the heart of this trial is a house in Virginia Beach that Amanda Newins' great aunt and uncle have apparently owned for roughly 50 years. Now, the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office says they believe that Newins, quote, took advantage of the couple by having them sign over the rights to that Virginia Beach house at a time when Newins' great uncle was suffering through Alzheimer's and dementia. The great aunt's lawsuit cited against her niece seeks to claim roughly $900,000 in total damages in this lawsuit. But the counter-argument we just heard in the courtroom on day one of this trial paints a much different picture of the relationship between Newins and her great aunt and uncle. Newins' attorney says that this house was acquired by Newins so that she and her husband could continue taking care of the family, that they can continue to make improvements to the house, which they argue in the courtroom. They say the great aunt and uncle were not able to do on their own. And they also argue that everyone was on the same page at the time when this decision was made. So again, we're expected to hear from several different witnesses over the course of the next couple of days, according to prosecutors, including Newins' great aunt, who again filed this lawsuit in the first place. We'll have continued coverage of day one of this trial starting at 4:30 tonight on 13 News Now. Live in Norfolk, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.